Question number 1. Who discovered the law of gravitation? Right answer is option B, Sir Isaac Newton. Question number 2. What is the unit of frequency? Correct answer is option A, Hertz. Question number 3. Which part of the atom has a positive charge? Right answer is option C, proton. Question number 4. What type of current is used in household electricity? Right answer is option A, alternating current. Question number 5. Which device is used to convert AC into DC? Right answer is option B, rectifier. Question number 6. Which phenomenon proves that light has wave nature? Right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 7. Which planet has the strongest gravitational pull? Right answer is option C, Jupiter. Question number 8. Who is known as the father of modern physics? Right answer is option D, Albert Einstein. Question number 9. Which mirror is used in vehicle headlights? Right answer is option B, concave mirror. Question number 10. What type of lens is used in a magnifying glass? Correct answer is option A, convex lens. Question number 11. Which color of light has the shortest wavelength? Right answer is option D, violet. Question number 12. Which device converts electrical energy into mechanical energy? Right answer is option B, electric motor. Question number 13. Which law explains the relationship between pressure and volume of gas? Right answer is option A, Boyle's law. Question number 14. Which energy is possessed by a body due to its motion? Right answer is option A, kinetic energy. Question number 15. What is the energy of a moving electron called? Correct answer is option D, kinetic energy. Question number 16. Which device is used to store electric charge? Right answer is option B, capacitor. Question number 17. Which process converts solid directly into gas? Right answer is option C, sublimation. Question number 18. Which instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? Right answer is option B, barometer. Question number 19. What type of waves are used in microwave ovens? Correct answer is option A, electromagnetic. Question number 20. Which metal is used in making filaments of electric bulbs? If you know the correct answer of this question, then write the correct answer on the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Education World.